this first region, is this positive or negative slope? In this region? Well, it looks a lot like that except upside down, so this actually is negative sine of x. If I kept going, a cycle appears. So I start out with sine. I look at the slope of it, I get cosine. I look at the slope of cosine, I get negative sine. Look at the slope of negative sine, I'm going to get negative cosine. Take a look at that, and I get sine again. So it just cycles back. So if my position graph looks like y equals sine of x, my snap graph would look the same. Questions to hear? Let's see if we can squeeze one more thing in. If it were y equals sine of 2x, y equals sine of 2x, what would happen? What would that do to my graph? One way or the other? Now, if the two were in front, it would grow it that way. Yeah, it squeezes it in. In harmonic motion, imagine it's the angular speed that you have this wheel is traveling twice as fast. So it's going to basically, so that's pi over 2 pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. So that graph would look so we basically take that graph that we have over there and we squeeze it into half the space, which makes the slope steeper. And so this, if I looked at the change in y over change in x, it's going to be twice as steep. So this becomes 2 cosine of 2x. And just get this up, leave it as a cliffhanger. Probably till, I suspect, Thursday of next week, but we'll see. That is horribly drawn, but we have a peak here of 2, the bottom of negative 2, whereas this was 1, or negative 1. And for those calculus background, J-book. If this were a 3, these would be 3s. If we went the next step, because after cosine comes negative sine, so if I did the slope on the slopes, I'd have negative sine of 2x. And each time I multiply by whatever number's here. So instead of 2 there, this would now be 4, and then 8. And that'll save till after spring break. When we come back, we'll connect it all. We'll derive the speed of an electromagnetic wave. And then resist the temptation to jump into relativity. And do AC circuits. Yep, you too. Yeah, thanks, and welcome back.
Well, oh, we have test tomorrow still, right?
No, that's,
So we don't have test tomorrow?
we don't,
Spring break. Spring break already started tomorrow?
yeah.
Oh, really?
So the test is, the quiz for chapter 21 of the
Then it was,
chapter week.
I was ready for today's quiz, I hope you know that, I was very disappointed.
Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you very much.
The other stuff I forgot to turn that thing forward.
Okay. I'll look forward to the tears of joy streaming down my face as I grade these.
The,